umbilical breathing, grounding practice. Please lie down on your belly. Lie down on the ground. Open up your legs so that the inner rims of your feet can touch the ground. Grab your elbows with your hands. Make sure that your arms are the same distance as your shoulders. You can put a towel or shawl on the top of your lower arms and rest your forehead on top of it. Shift a little bit, arrange yourself, and bring your arms close enough to your body so that your neck is not bent back. Try to let it hang down loose. Make yourself comfortable in the position and close your eyes. Become aware of all the space that your body is occupying. From the tips of your toes, the inner rims of your feet, your calves and your thighs, your lower belly, your lower arms on the ground. Feel the soft touch of your forehead. Allow your mind to settle down with your body. Withdraw your awareness from all other places, from other times. Come to the here and now. Be with your body. Gently bring your awareness to your breath. Breathe only through your nose. Remove all obstacles in your throat so that your breath is silent and smooth. Feel how your breath is expanding your lower rib cage. Now your stomach and navel area are expanding against the ground when you breathe in. Observe if you can find any pauses in your breath. Consciously remove those pauses and let your breath flow continuously. Relax your forehead completely. Remove all the wrinkles on your face. Let there be no tension in your eyes or the corners of your eyes. Relax your jaw. Leave a little bit space between your teeth. Relax your neck and your shoulders. Sink into the position. If you need to make arrangements, then do it now so that you feel very comfortable and relaxed. Try to release all tension from your neck and your shoulders. Breathe in deeply and relax with exhalation. From now on, do not move your body anymore. Only your breath is moving continuously, deeply and slowly. Bring your awareness to your stomach and navel area. Breathe against the ground you're resting on. Observe the continuous movement of your belly, moving passively in the slow rhythm of your breath. Let the movement slow down more and more, and let the movement become wider and wider. As you breathe more deeply and slowly. Relax the ripples in your mind and smoothen out your breath. Let there be no pauses. Allow your energy to flow continuously and freely. Bring your awareness to your navel. And as you breathe out, imagine your umbilical cord to grow down into the earth, grow through the floor, and further down, straight down to the center of the earth. Connect yourself to Mother Earth, to your roots, to the source of your energy. Conscious breathing, relaxed and slow breathing. When you breathe out, allow your used up energy to leave your body. Divert it down to the center of the earth, where it is received and transformed into free, fresh energy. Do not hold back. Do not block or freeze energy inside of you. Allow it to flow naturally. Your out-breath flows down to the center of the earth. And like a baby by the mother, with your in-breath, you receive all the nurturing energy that you need. Let this fresh, rejuvenating, healing, comforting energy flow up from the center of the earth. Joyfully receive it. Every single breath is an exchange of energy. Give freely what you don't need anymore. Just let go of it. Let it flow along its natural course. Let it flow down where it belongs, where it can transform, set free. Receive with open arms. Feel how the space that you created by letting go is filled up with fresh energy. Receive fully and nurture yourself with every in-breath. Relieve yourself, set yourself free. Release all burden with every out-breath. Feel this connection to your roots, to the root of all life, of all growth, of all creation. Join in the natural rhythm of giving and receiving, active and passive states, day and night. Let go when you breathe out. Breathe out towards the center of the earth. Receive when you breathe in. Breathe in the force of life and fill yourself up with vitality and joy. This is the natural way. Let it flow. Let it flow without any interruption. More awareness into these exchanges of energy. Keep on breathing with full